The one change in the 11 a.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center is we've got a slower developing tropical storm, which would be called Debbie, as we head into, it looks like, later today and especially overnight tonight. But notice still a tropical depression as of 11 a.m. Winds 35 miles per hour. I'm not too concerned about the winds with this, really. It's about the rain and the flooding. So we take a look at the change, and instead of it moving by Tampa by about 90 miles to the west, I still think that's about right, about 90 miles west of home sweet home. We're watching that movement by our area instead of 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, close to 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Okay, so again, we're telling everybody this morning our big weather impacts days would be Sunday, that's tomorrow, into Monday, as we started to see that slower movement overnight, and that continues with the latest advisory. So again, it looks like this system would be passing our way and passing just to the west of us later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, still with winds of 60 miles per hour. So the intensity is about the same. Landfall about the same area, the Big Bend to Florida, as we head into, instead of, yes, it looks like Monday morning now, 8 a.m. instead of the wee hours of the morning, closer to when we wake up on Monday morning. So it looks like about 6 hours slower on the forward speed. And then the one thing I'm noticing too is it just kind of stalls out, unfortunately, across just to the north of Interstate 10 and across South Georgia as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and these are the areas that could see just catastrophic rainfall and flooding if that does take place. So again, it's not about the wind speed, it's not about the category, really the name, it's about the impacts, and there will be big flooding impacts with this system and storm surge. As we take a look, let's put it all together for you. We've got a weather impact alert as a result. We know Sunday into Monday with the biggest impacts for us, it's the rain, 6 to 10 inches plus of rain, higher amounts possible along the coast, and then you have that storm surge of 2 to 4 feet, and based on the latest trends and based on the latest intensity as it moves to the north, I think we can keep that surge right now at 2 to 4 feet. So I know we're very vulnerable. Every inch matters. We'll keep an eye on that for you. And then we need to finish those preps today. Okay, and then we need to check back for updates. So let's take a look at what we have. This is the latest from the Hurricane Center. We are still in that tropical storm warning. Okay, so we head into, well, it's officially now, but again, it's for Sunday into Monday. And you can also see the tropical storm watches now include Polk County as well. Hurricane watches still could become maybe a weak category 1 as we head into landfall early Monday morning. That'd be up toward Dixie and Gilchrist counties. As we take a look at our storm surge, still keeping it at 2 to 4 feet from north to south along our coastline and in the Tampa Bay. As we look at the rainfall, my biggest impact, and I've been saying this morning, where you see the yellows, this is the areas that could be underwater, and that does include major interstates, Interstate 75, Interstate 4, all the way up to I-10 and I-95 across northeast Florida. And the bad travel and the worst of the travel, it does look like, would be late Sunday, Monday, and it could linger, especially north of our area, into Tuesday in the middle of next week. We take a look at our latest again, winds of 35 miles per hour. You can see the outer bands trying to come closer to home, but really the big impacts from the system again are later tomorrow morning. Could see some stronger storms toward the Keys and South Florida. For us, a round of more of your typical scattered afternoon storms. 7-day forecast. As you can see, the weather impact alert continues, not just for this afternoon, but really the big impacts from our tropical system Sunday into Monday, and then we'll slowly see things improve as we head into late Monday in the middle of next week.